Okay guys, so from last time we have our A-line dress that we cut. So the last thing we did was actually to cut this out. Alright, so that's my back portion and this is my front. So today I'm going to show you how to attach the placket. I'm putting a placket in here. You can put these on pants, you can put them in skirt, you can put them in the back of a garment, you can also put them in the front. Today I'm going to actually put this in the front. So I measure down 5 inches and it's just extra opening to get the garment over your head. So I measure. I'm going to be cutting 6 inches down on this placket. I'm going to make it past the breast line. So I cut just like that. Alright. You can make yours shorter. I'm just making this one a long one. Alright. And I cut 7 inches by 4 inches. So this is 7 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inches. And this is 2, 1, 2 by 4. I folded it. And today I'm just going to be pinning this on, but when we come to sew it, I'll show you how. So this is our cut in the center. Alright, and what I'm going to do is actually stitch here on both of them. I need 2. So I would stitch here, fold it in half and stitch the top. Once that is done, I'll show you what that looks like with the pin. I would flip this inside out and I would have a stitch line. Right there. I have a stitch line, and then I would attach with about 1/8 of an inch down for my stitch line when I'm ready to do my facing. Right. I'm just going to pin this on. It's very simple, guys. I can make this a little bit smaller as well. Alright, so there, that's the first portion. Hope you can see that. I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. I will put this on my sewing machine, turn this inside out. This across. This would be my stitch line, and I would flip inside out, get a straight line, and I would attach on this side the same way, like 1/8 of an inch. And if I can find my pins, do the same thing. Stitch line is 1/8 of an inch for this. Pins are not sharp. And I'm sewing this down here as well. And this is called a placket. It's a nice closure. And once this is stitched down, I would serge this end, or there's another way I could do this as well, so I don't have a raw edge. I'll show you that. Once this is done, just turn these out, put those in. Now this end stays out, lay flat, and this end I turn in like so. So this comes on top like that, and you have a nice closure. So that's how you make your placket closure. Alrighty guys, and now I just take this on top, so I put this on top, fold this under like that, and have a nice stitch right here. And I'm using same colored thread so it blends in nicely. And there's my placket. So when you're ready to dress, you can do a couple things here. See how nice that is, clean and nice. What I would do here is I can add a button here or a piece of Velcro, a nice closure on this end. Most people use a button. I think I might make this a little bit smaller too. Alright guys. So that's your placket. Nice closure for your garment. Really nice. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how you can put this in. So you don't have to have a serge stitch here, but you have no raw edges. So that's a little trick I will show you. Nice. On our next video, we will be adding our pockets to this garment. Alright guys, very nice. Nice pocket.